What's going on? It's Bapetown. I don't think they ready. First off, let me just say, my bad guys for the long gaps in between videos lately. Your boy was on a small vacation. But I'm back to the regularly scheduled program. Now, while your boy was gone, they dropped all kinds of stuff. The Color Camo Collection, Dragon Ball Z, the
a fucking sandwich.
What the fuck are you talking about?
The bear brick. That's what I was thinking of. Hot Wheels. So today, we're gonna look at all that stuff. BAPE release recap video. Let's get it. So for the Color Camo Collection, nothing too special drop. You know, you got them usual clean Color Camo shark hoodies, the Color Camo Purple.
Oh, it's purple.
Color Camo Red.
Spell red.
L-S-T-E-R.
And the Color Camo Navy, which I probably don't have. Let me check in this box. No, just Color Camo Red. But y'all know what I mean. If you've been following your boy, you know popularity wise, red is number 1, purple number 2, and then Color Camo Navy is number 3. Also in this collection, we have the all over Color Camo tees. You know, the usual items in this collection. But this time around, we have that crazy camo, which is BAPE's signature camos altogether. But sometimes, it's not the good crazy.
We could have been a good couple. We could have had something special. But you one crazy ass bitch!
Now, although all the camos are all together, they still drop 3 colorways. Here's the red colorway. You got that Color Camo Red with that clean shark on the front, and on the back, you got the Color Camo Purple with the Color Camo Navy pocket. Basically, whatever color camo is on the front, that's the colorway. The purple colorway, Color Camo Purple on the front, Color Camo Navy on the back with the Color Camo Red pocket. And last up, the Navy. Color Camo Navy on the front, Color Camo Red on the back with the purple pocket. And here they all are. Which one would you cop? Like always, all available on the site. Next up, Dragon Ball Z.
Who's gonna eat you?
We'll see about that.
What?
Now, I don't watch anime like that nowadays, but Dragon Ball Z?
That's my shit!
I remember when I was a kid, I was talking about some thinking I can turn Super Saiyan and shit. So this year, we got the Boo Saga.
What the hell is even that?
Now, while I was gone, my boy shipped off most of them. But of course, I'm always going to show you guys what I got. Alright, so this is what I got left. I got 4 different tees. I got the Boo and Hercule, Boo and Baby Milo, Super Saiyan Majin Vegeta and Goku, and Gotenks. Alright, so first tee, also coming black, we got big ass Majin Buu, we got the dog, if y'all remember, from that one episode. And we got Hercule with Baby Milo. And right up under, we got the Dragon Ball Z Baby Milo logo. And here's the back, DBZ logo at the top, and that's it. Here's the second Majin Buu tee. You know, it's kind of interesting. They only dropped the Fat Buu graphic. No Super Buu, Ultimate Buu, Kid Buu. Hey, maybe next time. And here's the back. All the backs to these tees are the same. Well, except for one. We'll get to it here in a sec. Next up is my favorite tee in the entire collection. Super Saiyan Majin Vegeta and Goku. Anything with Super Saiyan, I'm in. This was that time Vegeta got mind controlled by Babidi to fight Goku. So Vegeta was like,
Catch these hands!
And if Goku didn't, he was gonna light the place up. And then Goku was like,
Man, quit playing with me, man.
And then Vegeta was all silent. And then Goku was like,
No, for real, don't play like that.
And then Vegeta was like,
I don't give a fuck.
Well, it's been a minute, so something like that. And the back of the tee, just like the rest, Dragon Ball Z Baby Milo logo. And the last tee, Super Saiyan Gotenks. So for this tee, we got Gotenks and Baby Milo in the blue ghost form. It's that one attack Gotenks was doing when he was spitting out ghosts. And right up under that, we got the Dragon Ball Z logo in the blue ghost form as well. And on the back, this is the tee with the different back. Including Gotenks and Baby Milo, you got all his ghosts. And right up under that, you got an even bigger Dragon Ball Z Baby Milo logo. Pretty clean tee. Well, there goes all the DBZ that I got left, guys. Which one would you cop? Alright, on to the bear brick. So this is the BAPE Camo Shark Bear Brick Gold. Nice. Bam, there it is. We got the BAPE play with the all over camo on the front, WGN World Gone Bad on the right, full camo with the tiger print on the left, on the back, all over camo, and we've kind of seen the top already, got that shark print with the half camo. Here it is, guys, all chromed out. Bad boy is super clean. Got that shark face with the half camo, full camo torso, got no graphic on the legs. Basically, my man's is wearing a half camo shark hoodie. Let's check out the back. Got the tiger print with the WGM, and there's the back. Well, there it is, you guys. What y'all think? Last up, Hot Wheels. Man, I haven't seen a Hot Wheels in a minute. So this is modeled after Nigo's Mercedes. Just imagine seeing it down the street. That'd be kind of clean. That's, yeah, that's pretty cool. Now I should be able to, there it is. All over ABC Camo Green. Yeah, this bad boy is super clean.
That's called motherfucking bars!
Ape logo on the hood and the doors. And, what is that? California BAPE license plate. Let's take a look at the inside. Detailed insides. Oh yeah, we haven't looked at the front yet. There's the front. And yep, the door is closed too. This is a real cool collectible. What y'all guys think? Well, there it is, you guys. BAPE release recap video. As always, I appreciate y'all watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace!